Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'll be saying about the NEET 2020 last minute suggestions. First, let's start with the study materials and the revisions part. So, first is NCERT. You know NCERT is a Bible for NEET. So what you need to do? See, NCERT, while going through the NCERT books, I hope you have marked some of the important topics, you have highlighted them, or you have written some of the topics side of your book, right? So go through the NCERT topics, whatever you feel important for you, important graphs, important diagrams, everything you recheck once and then go. Then second thing is the practice 10 years question paper. Please practice the 10 years question paper. If you have not done that, then go through at least 10 years question paper solved once. Third thing is, don't start with a new topic. Please don't start with a new topic. Whatever you have studied, be confident and just give a revision to that only. Now fourth, at least solve 2 sets of model paper before going to the examination hall. Because 180 questions in this 3 hours is not an easy task. For that, you at home only you practice 2 model paper, at least 2 model paper you practice and then go to the examination hall. For not wasting your time more, I will give the link in the description box of 10 years, and even I will provide you with some of the model papers if I can. Now next, admit card. Download your admit card from the NTA website and print it out. If you have not done that, go and do that. Second thing, carry all the 3 pages of the admit card. Now if you see your admit card, it contains 3 pages. First page says the self-declaration and the central details. Second is the important instructions. And third is the advisory for the candidate for COVID-19. So carry all these 3 papers in the examination hall. Now third, there are 2 slots and 2 timings. What are that? Slot A says 11:30 am to 12:30 pm and slot B says 12:30 pm to 1:30 pm. So check what slots you belong to and please go 1 hour before the timing. Now the last thing, verify your location of the center before going to the examination hall. So once, at least in the map, you check the center of your location of your center. Now, materials to be taken in the examination hall. First and foremost thing, admit card. You need to carry admit card. Personal transparent water bottle you can carry. Additional passport size photograph you have to carry, which is already uploaded in the admit card. That same photograph you need to carry three copies maybe. And fourth is hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer not more than 50 ml bottle. And fifth, masks and gloves. Sixth, valid ID proof, maybe your voter card, Aadhaar card or anything. And PW certificate and any other certificate which is applicable for you. Things which you should not take in the examination hall: calculator, mobiles, watches, electrical gadgets, chips or any other personal things. Please don't carry with you because there will be very strict checking. Now important thing, dress code. First is for female candidate. Half sleeve kurti you need to wear, loose pants you need to wear, sandals, slippers, no jewelry. Don't carry with you any kind of jewelry, maybe nose pins, hairpins, necklace, rings. Don't carry with you anything. And tie your hair with a simple rubber band. Don't wear clips also, just simple rubber band you wear and then you go. And for the girls who wear burqas and take dupattas, for them you can take with you all that things. But before reaching the examination hall, there will be checking. So go before the timing. Okay, for the male candidate now, wear half sleeve t-shirts, light color t-shirt with small buttons, trousers and simple pants, and sandals and chappals. Please avoid wearing the full sleeves dresses. Now, last minute tips. What last minute you will do? First of all, take proper sleep because health is important. Okay. Second, eat and go. Please don't go with an empty stomach. I know you will be in tension. I know you will not feel like eating, but please don't go with empty stomach. Eat and then go. Third thing, recheck all the things before leaving your home. Your admit card, your mask, sanitizer, water bottle you're carrying with you or not. Fourth thing, don't panic during the exam in the examination hall. Even if your parents or anyone who is going with you, please stop them from panicking, because panicking will lead to more hopeless. Okay. Now second thing is, don't open your book in the last minute, last hours. Please don't do that. Please don't open the book before leaving your home or after reaching to the examination hall. Don't open the book. Whatever you have learned, you have learned. Just be calm on that day. Next is, fill up all the personal details very carefully. Very carefully you have to fill up all the details. Please be calm and fill up the personal details very carefully. Now, second thing is, mark the OMR sheet carefully and be aware of the negative marking. Please be aware of the negative marking, because if you are confident enough in that questions, 100% confident, then only mark in the OMR sheet. And please check the question numbering before marking in the OMR sheet. Okay. Next is, start with your stronger subject first. See, many of them have said you that start with biology, then with physics, then with chemistry. Okay, please go into that thing. Whatever subject you are strong in, maybe physics, maybe chemistry, maybe biology, start with that subject only. Okay? Then last is, don't fall into any trap while coming out. Even if when you are going inside your examination hall, there will be lots of people standing there with the booklets, taking your phone numbers and telling you that they can admit you in the abroad. Please don't fall in that trap. At least wait for your result to come. At least wait for your counseling to happen. Okay, last but not the least, I want to say you that I know it's a pandemic time. I know it's a COVID-19 time. But see, you people have one chance, and if you grab that chance, then think your name with the tag of a doctor. If your name is X, then think your name Dr. X. You're smiling, right? So what you're waiting for? Start your revisions, and all the very best to all the would-be doctors.